Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name seems really see I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rondo Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all of you to my new and fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. If you're new here, I say you're welcome and stay. Because here we're talking about how to make money online, the easy way and the fast way, and how to do dollar arbitrage and everything. Yeah, so today I want to show you the digital products that makes me 300 cedis. I think every 30 minutes. Yeah, it makes me 300 cedis every 30 minutes. Yeah. So I just created a new seller account to test these products. Yeah. And so far I created the account last 2 days, and so far I've made more than 10 sales with 23 customers. Yeah. So I want to show you the trick in this thing, how you can make like money with no degree, no investment, and no experience. Yeah. So if you like what I'm about to teach, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe to hit the like button, because I'm about to give you something free that will help you in your daily life. Yeah, so I will leave this platform link in my description. It's called Sealer. Yeah, so Sealer, it's like Amazon KDP. Or let's say Sealer is a platform that will help you distribute your digital products and get paid through Sealer. So before you start, you need Sealer, ChatGPT, and your mobile money account or bank account. So this is how I did to make my 300 cedis every 30 minutes. And you can also do some. Yeah. So when I go to, let's say, Google, and I search about a niche, and right now I can see that a lot of people want to make money online, and being an expert online, being an expert person online who always do videos about online. I think I can also help people make money online. So that's the niche I chose. So let's assume that you are good at, let's say, makeups or fashion and everything. You can also find a better niche and do what I'm about to teach you and earn money from it. Yeah. So so this product is mentorship product. Yeah. So this product, this is what I do. I have a blog site, that's randotech.com. Yeah, and I also have this thing. So this is how I did it. So when I come to add products. So we have a lot of here. So we have physical products, digital product, take it, subscription, service. Yeah. So do you know what I will do? I'll come to subscription. So sell recurring payment subscription for your product or service to your customer. So when I come here, so the reason why I chose this is like I'm about to sell my mentorship to people, and these people, they will pay money and they will get my attention, my everything, what I know, what I did to make money online. So it's like they will exchange their money for knowledge. And right now, a lot of people want to make money online. So this is it. So I'll come here. A name is, let's say, let's say, let's say, make money online, mentorship, mentorship. You see that thing, and the description. If as a beginner you don't know anything about it, you go to, let's say, go to chat GPT, and you click on this thing and you log in. So when you log in, this is how it is. Yeah. So you come in and write this. Write a description, a description for 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 make money online mentorship. You see, so this a person who don't know anything about it and but want to start something and make money. It's that thing. So chat GPT will help you generate all this thing. It's that thing. And all you need was just copy it and go and paste it over there. So you come here and you copy. You copy everything. So let me start from the top. You see, Control press C. So you go to your seller and you paste it over here. Yeah. Then you come down. So because it's a mentorship, you select the category. So it's what marketing and sales, business. So I'll choose business and I'll choose e-commerce. That's what making money online, electronic commerce or blogging, content creation, real estate, crypto, and blockchain tech, forex. I'll choose e-commerce. E-commerce and subscription interval. Create the subscription interval. That one you create like every subscription. Let's say the first one is premium. The premium you have them like you give them maximum time and let's say you extend their time period. So that one the price have to be different. So let's assume that we have monthly. So the monthly is let's say 300 cedis. Number of time the customer will be charged after the first payment. Let's say one time. You see, you can also add another one to it. Let's say this one weekly. Let's say 150 cedis. One. Or let's say zero. Let's say to zero. Let's say to zero. So the zero, if you want the customer to be charged continuously until they decide to cancel. So zero, if zero, that means the person will charge every week. So every week the person will get like that. Like if you want to advance this thing, then you what it's that thing. Yeah. Then you add it. So right now I have every month own, half every week own. So it depends on what the person was subscribed to. Is that thing? Yeah. So this is it. So after that, you create the account, but you have to get an image for it. So the description image. Let's say let me go and download any image at all, any image, any random image. Yeah. So it means that my mentorship is what is done. So if I create product, it will be what it will be published, and this is how I market the thing. I market it through YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, and WhatsApp. That's how I market it. So I can create, let's say, a post and be like, hello, if you want to join my mentorship, blah, 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 blah. Click on this link and join it. And this one, you don't need any experience. So when people join your mentorship and things, so this is how you do it. You can choose to guide them through ebooks or video. Me personally, I know much about online business, so I guide them through videos. So I do videos and I host Zoom meeting with them and show them how they can make money online. They can ask me questions and answer them. At times we do board, like I will record my screen for them. They'll watch. At times I'll go share screen with the Zoom and we were doing it together. So you have to what make them feel and make them know that what they are paying for, they are benefiting from it. So I have a mentorship in my description. If you join it, you know much about this digital product and how you can make true money from it. How you can make money from digital products, because we have a lot of ways that you can generate a digital product and sell it to your audience for them to also buy it. We have a lot. So you can start with, like, let's say services, sell any kind of services from coaching services to consultation to counseling and everything. So this one, if you're also good at, like, let's say anything, let's say video editing, photo editing, anything at all, you can host like a coaching service. So when people join it, you set a time that, okay, this time we'll be meeting on Zoom or on YouTube live and everything, and I'll be directing you on what to do. If you have any question, you chat me and everything. So the person will pay for your services, and you also have to give the person your what you know. So it's like exchanging knowledge for money, and it's very lucrative. That's why I always say that it is very good for you to learn online skill, because, like, if you learn online skills at the same time you're making money online, and sometimes you are selling your knowledge to people for people to also benefiting from it, and they will pay you for it. So it's better for you to learn something online. That is why I have my mentorship under my description, that if you join, I will guide you and show you how you can make money through digital products, how you can make money through affiliate marketing, dropshipping. People are saying that dropshipping is not active in Africa, but I'll show you how you can start your own in Africa and make money from it. How you can make money through content creating, and how you can make money through dollar arbitrage and currency exchange. You see that thing? So I'll show you all these things. So at least if you can't learn all these things, you can learn just three things and master it very well. So you can practice it and be perfect about it. And also start your online courses so that people can buy it from you and you can make additional money from it. That is why I always say that it's very good for you to learn online business, because, like, it's very lucrative, bro. It's very lucrative. It's very lucrative. I won't lie to you. I won't lie to you. Yeah. So, and if you are also good at selling things, a physical product too, you can use this platform to sell all your physical products. Physical products is what, let's say, when people purchase it, you deliver it to them. So let's say you sell books online, like, let's say you have store that you are selling, let's say, product, like, let's say, bags, clothes, everything. You can start your online store. So when people purchase it, you deliver it to them. So that thing, yeah. So you can use this seller to do that one too. Yeah. So I will leave the link in the description, and I will leave my mentorship and membership link to in my description if you want to join me, and I will show you everything I know about online businesses so that you also enjoy it to the fullest. Yeah, you also enjoy it to the fullest. Yeah, so I think I'm done, and this what makes me a lot of money on this platform. Yeah, so just last 2 days I've made last 2 days, yesterday, yeah, yesterday I've made one sale. So, and one thing about this, like, I don't take this thing as my personal work. It's that thing. Yeah, I learned this because I want to know much about online businesses so that I can also teach people. So I didn't take so if I'm taking this as personal, I can be making more than 100 sales a day. That is why I say that if you are good at these things, you can take this as personal work, full-time work. Because me, I have a lot of works that I'm doing. Yeah. So you can take this as a full-time work, and I'll guide you through my mentorship. So you can hit me up and be like, bro, I want to start digital products. So guide me. So I will leave my WhatsApp link in the description. You chat me and I will guide you. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm out.